Hello friends, today we will be going to discuss the HackerRank problem, that is viral advertising. It's a easy level problem and it comes under problem solving section. Here let us have a look at the problem description. HackerLand Enterprise is adopting a new viral advertising strategy. When they launch a new product, they advertise it to exactly 5 people on social media. On the first day, half of those 5 people, that is the floor value, like the advertisement and each shares it with 3 of their friends. Okay, let us assume there are 5 people and 5 by 2, which is 2 people, will be liking it, and they are going to share, each of the 2 people are going to share it with 3 of their friends. That is, at the beginning of the second day, floor of 5 by 2 into 3, that is 2 into 3, these 2 people will be each will be sharing to 3 people. The total becomes 6 people. Okay, 6 people receive the advertisement on the next day, that is the second day. Similarly, each day, floor of recipients by 2, that is number of people by 2, like the advertisement, and they will be sharing it with 3 of their friends on the following day. Assuming nobody receives the advertisement twice, determine how many people have liked the ad by the end of a given day, beginning with launch day as day 1. Okay, they will be giving us the number of days, and we have to assume that no person will receive the advertisement twice, and we should return how many people like the ad by the end of a given day. Okay, we have to calculate it. Let us have a look at the example. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Where n is equals to 5, we calculate it for 5 days. And on the first day, we will be sharing it for 5 people. And 2 people will like it, that is floor of 5 by 2 as stated here. And the total sum cumulative will be 2. On the second day, these 2 people will be sharing it with 3 other people each, and it becomes 6 people on the second day. And floor of 6 by 2 is 3. Okay, 3 people like it, and the cumulative, that is 3 plus 2, becomes 5 here. Similarly, on the day 3, they will be sharing it with people, that is 3 into 3 people. Okay, these 3 people who like the product will be sharing it with 3 of their friends each. Okay, hence it becomes 9 people on the third day, and floor of 9 by 2 is 4, so 4 people like it, and the cumulative becomes 9. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, cumulative becomes 9. Similarly, on the day 4, 4 into 3, these 4 people will be sharing it with 3 people each, so it becomes 12. And here 6 people will be liking it, since only half of the people like the product, so the cumulative becomes 15, which is 9 plus 6 is 15. Finally, on the day 5, 18 people will be liking it, because here on the day 4, 6 people have shared with 3 of their friends each, so 18, 6 into 3, and 18 by 2, that is 9. 9 people will be liking the product, and the cumulative becomes 15 plus 9 is equals to 24. It is as simple. The progression is shown above. The cumulative number of likes on the 5th day is 24. Okay. The function description: complete the viral advertising function in the editor, and the viral advertising has the following parameters. Those are int n, that is the number of days to report, and we have to return an integer, that is the cumulative or total sum of the people who has liked the product. And the constraints are, as you can see here, n is starting from 1 to 50, and the sample input given here is 3. As you can see here, the pictorial representation, you can understand it easily. In the sample input 3, we will be starting with 5 people, 1 2 3 4 5, and floor of 5 by 2 is 2, so it's marked in green, that is 2 people like it. On the day 2, 1 shares with 3 people and 2 shares it with 3 people. Person 1 shares it with 3 people and person 2 shares it with 3 people, that is 6. Okay, total cumulative is 6, and 6 by 2, that is 3. 3 people will be liking the product, and these 3 people share with 3 of them each. Okay, and it becomes 3 3 3, that is 9, and floor of 9 by 2 is 4, hence 4 people will be liking it. Let us sum up this level wise. 4 people plus 3 people, that is 7, plus 2 people is 9. Hence, at the end of the 3rd day, 9 people will be liking it. Okay, let us code this. Let us code the solution. So, we'll be using the scanner class to take the input. Otherwise, we'll be going with the default value int n is equals to 5 for 5 days, and as we have seen, we have to take the shared, liked, and cumulative values, that is shared people, liked people, and cumulative of the liked people. Okay, in shared, we will initialize it with 5, comma, liked, we will initialize it with 0, comma, total sum, let it be the total sum or cumulative with 0. And we'll be taking a for loop here for int day is equals to 1, day will be less than or equal to the number of days given there, and we'll increment the day by 1. And here, firstly, we'll calculate the liked people, that is liked is equals to shared by 2. As we are using integer here, we no need to mention the floor value for this one. In integer, whenever you do a division of 5 by 2, it will be returning as an integer 2. Unlike float, it returns 2.5, but hence since we use integer, we will be getting the 2. So no need to worry. And shared value becomes shared is equals to shared by 2 into 3, as we have seen in the function description, that is 5 by 2 into 3, and we will update the shared value. Shared, and finally cumulative, that is tot sum is equals to tot sum plus liked. and after that we'll be returning the integer, which is the cumulative, that is total sum. Okay, let us check the problem. You'll clearly understand this. First, let me compile the problem and check if we are getting the desired output or not. See, we have got 24, and I'll show you the step-by-step process by debugging the problem. As n is equals to 5 and we have initialized the shared value by 5, and like will be 0 and total sum will be 0. In the next step, shared by 2, liked value will be 2, as you can see here. As you can see here too, liked value will be 2 and shared value will be updated, that is 6. So on the second day, it will be shared by 6 people and the total sum becomes 2 here. Okay, see, total sum is equals to 2, liked is equals to 2. As we are here on the day 2, we'll be entering the day 2 here. The shared value will be 6. We'll keep it updating before because the problem becomes easy. And in the next iteration, shared will be 6 and liked will be incremented. As you can see here, 3 people will be liking, and now shared value will be updated, that is 9. Okay, and liked people total sum will be updated to 5. Hence we'll be getting the output. Let us execute it completely. In the console, as you can see, the output is 24. Hope you liked the video. Keep learning, believe in yourself, and please like and subscribe my channel and refer it to your friends, because sharing is always caring. Knowledge is always gained through sharing, and when we share, we are becoming a teacher of another one. It might be your friend or your neighbor. For whoever this may be helpful. Thank you.